Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to an Instagram post with multiple photos. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. Next, select the Select Multiple button, which looks like two overlapping squares at the bottom right. Choose the photos you want to include in your post. Up to 10 photos are allowed. For this demonstration, I'll select 4 to 5 photos. Once you've chosen your photos, you can edit each one individually. Apply filters, adjust brightness, or make other edits as needed. When you're done editing, tap on the music icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open Instagram's music library. Browse for a song that suits your post, and once you've found the perfect one, tap on it to select it. You can adjust which part of the song to use by dragging the slider to your desired starting point. Instagram allows you to include up to 15 seconds of music. After selecting the segment, tap Next. Here, you can add captions, hashtags, and even tag friends if you'd like. Once everything is ready, tap Share, and your post with multiple photos and music will go live for your followers to enjoy. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next one.